How to clean a Beko washing machine spray arm. First, unplug the machine from the power socket and turn off the water supply. Open the door and locate the spray arm, usually a plastic nozzle or rotating arm at the top or back of the drum. Now, remove any loose debris by hand or with a soft cloth. Use a soft brush or old toothbrush to gently clean around the spray holes. For stubborn buildup, soak a cloth in white vinegar or descaling solution and wipe thoroughly. Flush the holes by pouring warm water through them or using a toothpick or soft wire to clear any blockages carefully. Now, rinse everything with clean water and wipe dry. Now, please clean the spray arm every 1 to 2 months. Also, clean the pump filter or drum regularly to prevent future clogs. Use a washing machine cleaner monthly for best results. Cleaning the spray arm can dramatically improve your Beko washing machine's performance. If the problem continues, check for error codes or contact Beko support with your model number. All right.